Sophos Firewall version 21 unlocks additional performance from your XGS series appliance, extends active threat response, enables your organization to grow and scale, and makes day-to-day management easier than ever. Sophos Firewall introduced active threat response in version 20, enabling the firewall to automatically block active threats on the network based on threat intelligence provided either by Sophos Labs or provided by an MDR or XDR security analyst. And now Sophos Firewall v21 extends active threat response to include threat intelligence from third-party sources. While Sophos Labs is the only source of threat intelligence most organizations will ever need, some organizations may need to subscribe to additional threat feeds specifically focused on their region or vertical. This new extensible threat feed framework also enables Sophos Firewall to integrate seamlessly with other EDR and MDR solutions you might already be using. If a threat is detected, active threat response will block all communication attempts with that destination from any host on the network. No manual intervention or new firewall rule is required. Sophos Firewall will also coordinate a defense by assigning a red heartbeat status to any compromised device, triggering lateral movement protection, and collects a full set of telemetry for easy identification and cleanup. A new control center panel provides an instant at-a-glance indication of all your current threat feeds being monitored and any active threats that are being blocked. A new active threat response report provides additional insights and a full history of all active threats identified and blocked, including the malicious destination. Active threat response is a game changer for automating an immediate cross-product response to active adversaries. Sophos Firewall v21 includes a number of performance and scalability enhancements. When combined with our new Gen 2 XGS series desktop models, this release unlocks up to a threefold increase in IPsec VPN performance thanks to optimizations in the virtual fastpath. It also includes scalability and response enhancements to high availability deployments, VPN, IPv6, and authentication performance. Sophos Firewall also enables seamless upgrades from your previous XG or XGS series appliance to the latest hardware, including the new Gen 2 desktop models. Version 21 includes the new any-to-any backup and restore assistant with port mapping that makes upgrades easy. It also supports true zero-touch deployment without a USB stick, so you can drop ship your new Gen 2 XGS series devices to your branch offices or remote locations and configure them remotely via Sophos Central. A top requested feature from small business customers and partners, Let's Encrypt certificate support has been integrated into version 21. This makes it easy to utilize Let's Encrypt's free certificates across many areas of the firewall for encryption and authentication. It even supports auto-renewal to ensure you're never faced with an expired certificate. Another top requested feature in version 21 is the ability to see which network objects are associated with interfaces, zones, gateways, or SD-WAN profiles. You can now simply click to see all the associated objects and drill down, even making changes in place if needed. Sophos Firewall also sports a new refreshed user interface optimized for wider displays that's dramatically more responsive. Overall, Sophos Firewall version 21 bolsters protection, performance, scalability, and resiliency. It also enables smooth upgrades to our new Gen 2 XGS series desktops and continues to make day-to-day management easier than ever. Get started today with Sophos Firewall version 21. It's a free upgrade for all licensed Sophos Firewall customers.